Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix server upgrading problem on TikTok live. So guys, if you are trying to go live but server upgrading issue is appearing on your TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for TikTok. And after this, you have to simply update your TikTok to the latest version or download the latest version of TikTok app. So guys, do this, and after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, update your TikTok and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection or change your internet connection, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings on your device and then go to general, scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. And after this, go back and go to VPN and device management and go to VPN and connect any VPN on your device. So guys, connect your device with a VPN and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to TikTok and then you have to tap on your profile and then go to settings, and from here you have to tap on settings and privacy, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here go to help center, and from here you can get any kind of help from the TikTok team. So guys, simply tap on chat with us, and after this you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the TikTok team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.